What's up guys, back with another video. You already know we're here at the car meet. So yeah, let's get started. Let's go see some cars.
Que nunca las pones a cargar tú, vale pues.
Hey, look at this. It's thinking it's a face.
¿Sí?
Yeah.
Pero todo lo que sea en un círculo piensa que es una cara.
Well, not a circle.
¿Mm?
See, I like this color. Like my old Mustang.
Flipper.
Flipper.
Can you customize your license plate?
Yeah.
How come you do that?
Cause it's expensive.
¿Cuánto?
Like the rims. Oof. Ooh, the Mercedes. Zoom so slow.
Why?
I don't know, it's just how it is.
The perfect,
Yeah, dude.
what's it called, focus. Mira, ahí está la jewelry. Ahorita podemos entrar y aprovechar.
The what?
The jewelry.
Jewelry? Oh.
¿Qué? ¿Esta agüita o qué?
Yeah.
Alright.
What these guys just got here? This Nissan. See, it has a nice lighting with the sign over there. Lights. Looks pretty sick. I'm gonna paint my rims black too someday.
Los rims no es nada, pues.
Barber. Some nice rims over here. Sheesh. It's pretty sick. Some Mitsubishi. What is this? Vente, güey. Come on, Christian.
What?
Come on, let's go. Which one? What is this? Jetta. Este ni es parte del show y aquí.
Mírate aquí.
There's a lot of these Hondas. Hmm? I like the color. I like the color of this car.
You should get it like that.
BMW.
Mexican way.
Do you like the color of this one?
Yeah. Like
Pretty sick, huh?
metal blue.
Like the rims. The Mustang, of course.
They're shitty like Chinese ways.
Can you miss the Mustangs? Another Mustang. Oh yeah. What is this? I'm fine, it's fine, everything's fine.
That's your buddy's M1?
Good to you? So I want to get those LEDs. They look pretty nice. Don't they?
Didn't you use that?
No?
Yeah, you are.
No?
See?
Forced them there.
¿De ellos? No se pegaron, ¿ok? Este carro.
It's pretty sick. Another Mustang. What is this? Is this black, right? Or is it like dark gray? I think it's like dark gray.
Black.
Can't tell.
Like a
Mitsubishi. Or no, it's a Subaru.
I've seen this truck.
This thing's tall. ¿Ese qué?
Sí, le falta mucho.
I like the wrap on the motorcycle. Did you see it?
Yeah. Andrew, ¿sí modifica su motorcycle?
He's done like a few things, but not really. ¿Se lo voy a arreglar?
Sí.
I don't know anything about motorcycles.
Like, make it look nice.
Yeah.
Oh, does that really look nice?
Cool, this truck. It's Corvette. Pretty sick. Do you like white rims?
Nah. Se manchan, güey.
Some cars do look nice though. The Veloster.
I like on
This truck though. Go follow this guy, Mr. Billy. What? Nice. You like it?
Yeah. Then I try to
Man, Ford Raptors, like the one Andrew wants to get. Right, viene otro, viene otro.
I want to get a Ford F50. Ford
The Rams. The Rams look cool though. The new ones, they're pretty cool. And whose car is this? Sheesh.
Look at those Rams.
This beauty. Those Rams.
Quieren volar para Tijuana.
Yeah. Did we see all of them? I think that was it, huh? Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah.
That purr.
¿Cómo dices tú? Revving?
Revving.
La moto.
Nissan over here.
No way. ¿Prendió?
The alarm went off in a car. But he's gonna turn this one on. Watch out. Ooh. Like twins. Oh, the Mustang leaving over there. Hey, where's your car?
Right here, the little convertible.
This one, what is that?
The Fiat 124
VR,
Spider.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You still going to Cuesta?
Taking a break right now.
Yeah? Yeah.
I didn't do any homework last semester. I'm like, fuck, I need a break.
Wow, yeah.
I was kind of really realizing, yeah.
Yeah.
How about you?
Yeah. I think this is my last semester and I'm gonna be done.
That's good, that's good.
Yeah.
I'm not done yet. I like how Miata just pulls up.
Yeah.
Everyone else is done.
Where are you working now?
Domino's.
Domino's? The one here?
Delivering pizzas.
Yeah. In your car?
No,
Yeah.
no, because you don't want to use a nice car for deliveries because they fucked up your car.
Yeah.
What's the extra?
Come on.
What'd that say?
I'm gonna put it in. Say see you guys.
See you guys next time.